Guys, welcome to today's vlog. Today we're at a tournament. Here's Sarah from the group chat. Look what happened to Michael.
Hi!
Oh. Okay, come here. Welcome to the vlog.
I'm not playing. I'm coaching. I'm not playing sadly, but I'm coaching you guys. Because you know I'm so good. Yeah. Love you more. Are you doing the same? Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. Hey Michael, say hi to the vlog.
Oh, hi. I was like, why is she being serious?
We're watching.
No, bro, I'd rather be playing, bro.
Say hi to my vlog. Victor, say hi to my vlog.
Oh, what's up, vlog? What's up, vlog?
Let's go, Michael!
Yeah, Michael, W still. Holy double! I mean, carry this.
Oh no, this one. That's just. Oh, he's good.
I like them.
I'm sweating. Justin and Victor went to Supermax. Wait,
You told me that there was a bump in my head.
wait,
I didn't notice that.
wait. Do you remember when we were making the Filoli video last year? Oh. Remember when we were making the video last year and we were like, I was like, wave.
Bros. Are we be? Is that a sticker?
It is a sticker.
I saw the line of it. That's why I was like,
I got a tattoo.
Guys, you want to stick on this?
Right here. Put the sticker on.
Where am I putting it on though?
I think also since we got injured, he hasn't been able to get back.
What happened? What happened?
I lost the coin toss.
Show the coin. I'm disappointed.
It was rigged. I tell you. She tossed the coin. It was rigged. It's her team. We're 1 point away from you guys. By point difference, we're 1 away from you.
Guys, see that? See that? No losses. What's this? Oh, what's this?
I don't know whose team that is. What the hell? I'm not just his team, guys.
Guys, we won. Their team is having their team talk behind me. Awkward. We got Superman. So yeah, I got chips and like a burger. I'm like sweating. Can you like see the shot? Look at the shine on my forehead. Anyway. Say it. I love that we all knew. Yes, Celestials. Yes, Celestials. Yes, Celestials.
Ain't no magic shop.
Where is he? Where is he?
Oh yeah,
This guy. This guy.
we go right here.
Hide your face! Hide your face!
Michael. Show it. Show it.
Ain't that crazy? It's platinum, bro. It's platinum. Not even gold. Straight platinum.
Okay, so we just got all the awards. I didn't get anything. That's fine. If there's an award for the girl passer, then I would have gotten it, but it's fine. That guy was really good, though. I didn't get any, but he was really good. Yeah, so we have the third place match now, so everyone's like warming up here. It's a Magic Sarap versus someone that I don't know. So it's gonna be 3 sets. I don't feel like recording that, so I'll let you know how it goes, and I'll see you in a second. I'm just gonna eat food, and then we'll be on to my match.
won. 9 fucking hours we've been here, bruh.
So underwhelming.
Sorry.
Okay guys, we just finished, we just won. It was really fun. I crashed out a bit at the end. I don't know, I just got a bit annoyed at like my passes, which I need to stop doing because we were actually playing fine, but like it's just a bit confusing to play with like a new team and stuff, so we like had to get used to each other. And I usually do like 2 and like when we're in the back row I do like 2 in front. 1 takes deep, like 1 and 6, like the 6 takes deep. So when we were doing like same line passing, so it was different. I'm not used to it. Also, I was playing in 6 a lot, so it was like I know how to play in 6, but it's like a bit more confusing. But yeah, overall, I'd say I'm happy. Just for some reason, the finals wasn't that happy for me. I don't know why. So we're packing up. We're gonna go home. I have Philo League tomorrow, so thankfully Jazzy's recording all that. I hope she's recording all of it because my phone storage is so cooked. Yeah. So here's the medal we got, and we got a trophy. I think Bobby's taking it. Yeah. So I'm just putting all my stuff away now. So.